Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have our 2018 Kia Soul, and we're going to go over how you would replace your the side marker light. So from the outside, it's the one that's right here. It'll illuminate when you turn on your lights so that people know where the front corner of your car is. We have the side marker, your headlights. This is the high beam, low beam, and if you pan right here is the turn indicator as well as the parking light. It's all one unit. So we have this light right here, and we're able to just spin this out and undo this, and then we pull this out and pull it back, and this is the light. Now this light is just one that you pull, squeeze and pull out and to be able to replace. And this light bulb here is a 168, and so you would just get a new 168, line up the tabs there and insert and snap that into place, and that's how you do that part. And then this, you just need to get it to push back in there and twist it a quarter turn to the right to lock that into place. And so that's how you replace your side marker light on your 2018 Kia Soul. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.